So nandito kami, where are we? What restaurant is this?
Sala Martinez.
Here in Shang, and we are about to sample. We ordered their tomahawk steak, which is 9,900 pesos. So babe, what are your expectations?
Sana masarap.
Sana nga, kasi 9,900. So we'll show you guys what it looks like and then the perfect bite later. This is the appetizer. I mean, what is this called?
Ciabatta bread.
So yeah, so basically we had a lot of this when we were in Spain. It's basically bread with ano ba yan? Tomato paste and salt. Wow. Masaya siya oh.
Ilan ba tayo kakain?
Dalawa. Pwede isa pang Coke Zero.
Whoa, man.
Grabe. That looks good. So, nandito kami sa Allbirds in Shang. Si Mitch is trying out. Anong model tawag dito kuya? Free Runner. Ito yung suot ko na Allbirds kanina. And then, man, he's in hers, so, diba? You like it? Ta-da! Happy, happy. Ano yung nakasulat? Nakasulat? Walang pake basta may kape. Yeah. I just want to show you guys the cat situation that we have here at home. Cleo. This is Dusty over here. That's Cleo. And the guy over there, that is Panda, in case you haven't met him yet. What a way to get introduced now. Take a look at that post. Those are our lovely sweet cats here at home. That's Cleo over there, our Sphinx. And the guy over here, his name is Jego. Jego, say, oh, Cleo. Kulit. So this is the sneaker that we bought. This is from Allbirds. So this is called, I think, the Tree Dasher or something. Now, the great thing about this sneaker is that it is super lightweight and comfortable. Very breathable as well, as you can see with the knitted upper. In terms of the cushioning, it is not that soft except for this part at the back, because you do see that the foam here is kind of thicker. Also, I love the colors. They're very basic, easy to wear, easy to use. The only problem with this is it might get dirty fast, but you can wash them and you can just spray Crep Protect on them if you want. So, super fan of Allbirds. Now, at this point, I'm headed over to Greenbelt. I do have a couple of meetings there, but I'll take the opportunity as well because I haven't seen or visited some of the sneaker shops there in a long time, including Commonwealth, some of the luxury stores, Adidas, so we might swing by. I'll also drop by one of my favorite everyday carry / bag stores, which is Urban Traveler. So yeah, Christmas tree still up. So this is 20 plus days, no, more than 25 days after Christmas. Thank you, Kuya. Ingat kayo ah.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven, yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven, yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida que nos hace tan...
End of season sale at Commonwealth, and that's probably the reason why the sneakers were such a big discount. In fact, I don't know if you guys caught it, the Panda Dunks, which I think in my size I bought before for like over 10,000, 12,000 pesos, around $200, was being sold for like 3,000 something pesos, around $60. So that's just insane, diba? Parang, so if you bought the Panda Dunks at their height, you kind of feel bad looking at how much they're being sold now, especially during that end of season sale. Now, if there's anything that I saw there that actually caught my attention, it was really more the fear of God stuff and the human-made tote bags. The human-made tote bags, I was so close to buying, but I already have so many bags, and good thing my willpower prevailed, ended up not buying it. The fear of God stuff, though, was really clean. Reminded me of this sneaker that I got from Adidas, Fear of God, before, which I've been wearing quite often the last few weeks. It's because the color is just so basic and it's quite comfortable to wear on the daily. But yeah, so those were the stuff that I saw over at Commonwealth. Now, to end things, I'll bring you guys over to the shop. We have 2 sneakers there that I will be unboxing that I want to show you, and then we'll end the episode there. So check it out. Oh, before we move there, if you guys haven't followed me yet on Facebook and on Instagram, I will link it down below because we do post reels there regularly. So make sure to follow me there as well. And also, Labubu says hi. Meron lang kaming unbox na 2 items, right? Can you show them? We have another on-cloud sneakers and we have Pokemon. So we'll start with Pokemon. This is from our favorite brand, Crocs. Crocs, Bikini Man. Okay, so Pokemon. So if you're a Pokemon fan, you guys probably know who this is. Ang pangalan nito? I'm not a Pokemon fan.
Gengar.
Gengar. O yan, o, di ba? So it is your typical Polex clog, right? That's what it's called?
No, that's a classic clog.
Classic clog. And then you have the gibbets of Gengar.
Gengar.
Okay, so you have 2 poses na nakadilaw and probably the toxins that he emits, I guess.
Sobrang sikat ng Pokemon ngayon.
If you take a look at it, it's not my size, obviously, but if you want to buy it, I think it's being sold here at Unbox over at the cardboard corner over there, so you can just check that out. The second sneaker that I want to show you guys is something that we are adding to our collection. Madami na, kakasabi ko lang overrated. Anyway, so this is the Cloud Runner 2, size 13. I bought this from one of the vendors because every weekend we usually have weekend markets here at Unbox, wherein there are sellers outside the shop and people can buy from them, the vendors. And one of the vendors, my favorite vendors, sells on sneakers as well as Owala water bottles and tumblers. So I just want to show you guys, this is your white and gray. Ganda, no? So nice.
Linis, ganda.
Very clean. And as you guys can see, you have the knitted upper, the overlays, the Cloud Tech midsole that they're popular for. And yeah, it's just a very clean, easy to wear sneaker. The reason why I usually end up buying when I see them here is because it's so hard to find size 13, di ba? For sneakers like this. Even the Loewe collaboration, almost impossible to find size 13 here in the Philippines. So every time I find like a good deal in my size, I usually end up picking them up. So this we will add to the collection. So again, I'll just take this chance. If you guys are in the area and you want to buy shoes during weekends, make sure to swing by here at Unbox Green Hills. For those outside the Philippines, if ever you end up going here, then just make sure to drop by our shop here in Manila. So peace, God bless, what's up?